lifelines of our global communication network. Years later, in 2012, Hurricane Sandy wreaked havoc on the east coast of the United States, damaging critical infrastructure and disrupting internet access for millions. The storm's impact was felt far and wide, affecting everything from emergency services to everyday internet usage. The storm highlighted the interconnectedness of our digital and physical worlds. It showed how a natural disaster could ripple through our digital infrastructure, causing widespread disruption. Even natural disasters could plunge us into the digital abyss. The loss of internet access during such times can hinder rescue operations, disrupt communication, and leave people isolated. These past outages, though varied in cause and scope, shared a common thread. They exposed the fragility of the internet. Each incident, whether caused by human error, natural disasters, or technical failures, revealed just how vulnerable our digital lifelines are. They served as stark warnings, often ignored, of the potential chaos